In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your store name and regional settings in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and go to your main dashboard. This is the area where you can access all of your websites and store-related tools. Once you're inside the account, look for the Website section and click on Website. This will take you to the part of the platform where you can manage the site connected to your online store. After that, find the option to manage your store and click Manage Store. This is where Hostinger keeps the main controls for your e-commerce setup. If you're making updates to how your store appears or how it operates in different locations, this is the right place to be. Once you're inside the store management area, click on Settings. The Settings section contains important store details, including the basic information customers may see and the regional preferences that affect how your store functions. Here you'll be able to edit your store name. If you want to rebrand, fix a spelling issue, or simply update the name to better match your business, this is where you can do it. Make sure the name is clear, accurate, and consistent with the branding you use across your website and other platforms. A polished store name helps create a more professional experience for visitors. In the same settings area, you can also adjust your regional settings. These settings are important because they help your store match the location and preferences of your target audience. Depending on what options are available, this may include things like your region, currency, language, or other local preferences. Keeping these settings correct can improve the shopping experience and help avoid confusion for your customers. As you make changes, take a moment to review everything carefully before moving on. Even small updates, like a store name change or regional adjustment, can affect how your store is presented. It's always a good idea to double-check that the information reflects your business correctly. And that's it. By opening your Hostinger account, going to Website, clicking Manage Store, and then opening Settings, you can quickly update both your store name and your regional settings. This is a simple but important part of keeping your online store accurate, professional, and aligned with your audience.